And Jesus saw them worrying, and he said unto them, Look at the birds of the air, for they neither sow nor reap, nor gather into barns, yet your heavenly Father feeds them. Are you not of more value than they? So therefore, sing aloud, I have a Father who will never ever fail me. I serve a Father who has never ever failed me. Jesus is my Father who has never ever failed me. Rock of Ages has never ever failed me. I have a Father who will never ever fail me. I have a Father who will never ever fail me. Jesus is my Father who will never ever fail me. Rock of Ages will never ever fail you. I have a Father who will never ever fail me. I have a Father who will never